Sanibonani ngani zakwethu. Step sokuqala ungena kuthabusintwehle.com lapha ku-Google. The reason why ngimpostela ilinki ku-thabusintwehle.com ngingathamba uyiguglisha igama elithi Zulzi on Google is because uma uguglisha uthi Zulzi kuvela uzuza abaningi, angifuni ugcina ungene entweni e-wrong. So uyangena khona, i-advert leya uyayivala phezulu, ama-adverts azohlezi khona, indaba yama-adverts ayixoxa. Uyehla wena ucinga into ethi apply here. Njalo guys, kwi-link ka-thabusintwehle.com you always look for something that says apply here. Nansi lapha ezansi ngithi niyabona ama-adverts ey'khindi niwathinti wena nje ucinga u-apply here. Uma sewucofile uzokufaka straight on their website and this is what it looks like. Uma ungena phakathi then you will go down all the way and then this is what you'll see. They have different descriptions or things abakutshela ngazo mayelana ne-website ukuthi kwenziwani. So basically it's delivering. So you can either apply to become an assistant store or you can apply for delivering, but for the sake of the video I'm going to use this with delivery. Ama-requirements, bakutshela ama-requirements akhona ukuthi bafunani. You must have a driver's license, you must be a South African, you must have a passport, kanjalo kanjalo. Then ucofa apply laphaya. Uma ucofa apply then uyafaka lana njengoba ngikhombisa nami igama, isibongo, email address, inamba. Uzogcwalisa ke nje guys iform kanye nani yize ngifike ekugcineni. I am going to say this again. Mina la I'm just showing you isibonelo sokuthi ufaka ini kuphi, but wena uzobufaka eyakho imininingwane. So please make sure that ufaka imininingwane correct. Le ela imininingwane nje mina ngiyiqambele yona just to fill up the application to show you ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani. Enye into is that you need to be in Johannesburg, but la kwi-application ngifaka uKwaZulu-Natal kwi-province on purpose, you know, ngenze ngamasibomu, but again mina information ebengiyifaka la it was just into ebengiyicabangela yona, but wena ufaka information right. So make sure that if you are applying for this awukho KwaZulu-Natal, u-applya ukuphi, useGoli. Why am I saying this? Because basebenzisana nezitolo or ezise-Johannesburg. I am going to show you mase sofike lapha ezansi soqedile ukugcwalisa. So la uyagcwalisa address and then uyafaka i-country South Africa, ufaka i-date of birth, and then ngezansi bese bayakubuza who referred to you this position. Uzobusuyabhala ke ukuthi ubani okurifeyile, and then la uyafaka ngezansi Nkosi yami kuthiwa attach i-license, ufaka isithombe se-license, attach i-passport, ufaka i-passport, attach license disc, and then attach a picture of yourself, attach your bike, car number or plate, proof of insurance, attach traffic registration, and then we are lana ke yes or no. All your documents valid, yebo noma cha. Do you have a clean driving record, yebo noma cha? Do you have concerned vehicle driving verification, yebo noma cha? Have you previously worked as a delivery or a courier guy, yebo noma cha? Makukuthi uke wasebenza as a delivery guy or a courier guy, mawuthe yebo lapho uzosuyagcwalisa ukuthi kuphi. Mawuthe no futhi uzoshiya kanjalo. Mina I was just making isibonelo lapha ngibhala u-Uber. So provide emergency contact name and number. Ungashiyi Nkosi yami njengami mina ngifake igama lapha kuphela, but you need to faka igama and the number, because kuthiwa provide the emergency contact name and number. Which languages can you communicate fluently? Uzobhala ke ngifake yodwa mina ngathi English, but wena makuwukuthi uyakwazi ucommunicate ngama-languages ahlukahlukene fluently, uzobusuyabhala. How did you hear about this job? Uzobusuyasho ukuthi uzwe ngobani. Mawukuthi uzwe ngami la uzobhala ukuthi Thabusintwenhle. And then which store is near you? Uzobusuyafaka ke. Ingakho ngithe only apply makuwukuthi you are in Gauteng or you are in Johannesburg, because awekho amalokozana aKwaZulu-Natal la. Ngithi uyabokubhala ukuthi Central, Hartford, Midrand, kanjalo kanjalo. So if you faka i-province yaKwaZulu-Natal uthi KwaZulu-Natal, unfortunately angeke ize ukwazi uku-apply la. So make sure that if you are applying for this, you are in Johannesburg, and then you see I'm not a robot. Nange usubmit and submit application. It's easy as that. Iyahamba bazalwane. Ngimfisela inhlanhla. Please let me know ukuthi kuhamba kanjani on your applications.